Right, in line of the various comments on the video that I've just done, I've turned everything on my system up to maximum. The mic is also a bit closer, so hopefully this will come over loud and clear on your system. If not, I'm sorry, but there's nothing more I can do unless there's some means in Mirrorless Action Apostrophe package to make the video even louder than what it is. Okay, I'll just upload this and then we'll see how it sounds over, but this is just a trial version to see how it's coming over at your end. Right.